Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Tuesday, April 6, 2010. Today's free alert for you today is Qualcomm Incorporated, ticker symbol QCOM. You'll notice the closing price is about 42.43, and I would be shorting this at this price or higher if I could get it. You'll notice we've got a lot of the basic sell signals on the chart already. We've got this major inverted hammer right here, very bearish signal there. You've got substantial sell right here, big old gap down. You'll notice if you scroll down to look at the volume, that was 125 million shares sold out there. That's big boy getting out. Okay, it's a game changer right there. I believe you're going to continue to see resistance this level. So basically, I would be looking for this to continue lower. And you'll notice this sell-off we had here went lower than this previous low of 39.82. Then we had a new low of 35.46. Okay, when you have that on the chart, you're making new lows. This is a shift to the downtrend rather than the uptrend you did see here. Okay, yeah, the uptrend from this low, or you could go this way, or however you were trending that chart. The main thing is you're no longer in the uptrend, you're in a downtrend. Now you're moving higher here, so you have a temporary move to the upside, but this has not been tested. To test this chart, would have to pull back, hit around in this point somewhere, and prove that this low is the actual bottom. Here it tried it. See, it bounced up to the middle and then pulled back and failed to hold that low and fell lower. So you know this is still in the downtrend right here. Okay? Let me go ahead and get rid of that right quick. All in all, we're not trusting of this move to the upside simply because it's not been tested. You'll notice also there is low volume on the rally, and it's decreasing over time. So it's just a situation where the overall markets have been rising during this period, and the rising tide lifts all boats, so to speak. Okay, so that's where I'll be shorting that. You could place a stop about 10% because, like I said, you could still see some upside here. If the market continues higher, so could this stock. But the signals are all there telling you it's time to be selling this thing. Also, you'll notice if you scroll down here, well, start at the top. We've coming up off the overbought condition of the slow stock. We dip below it, kind of bouncing back up here. You could wait for it to fill that. It doesn't have to though, so it doesn't have to run back up here again. So there's not necessarily a wise idea to wait for this to peak again. But again, you could leg into it a little bit here, a little bit there, kind of thing. So you're overbought here, coming off the overbought, and moving on down. Right. You'll notice our previous peak on the RSI, that corresponds with the peak on the chart. So you could be watching for another tip up into that area, but again, it doesn't have to. So it's kind of that chart, the price pattern on that chart is really weak to me. So I'd start getting to it now. That's how I'd play that. If you're not a full access member and you want to be one, go to our website, sign up, pay the $145 for the whole year, and you're in. It's that simple. You'll know what's in my portfolio and every move I make, including my entry points, my exit points, my stop loss limits. You also have access to our small cap alerts. Regardless what you do, refer a friend. God bless and take care.